Okay, so here's my little cooking thing. So we got some ribeyes, very nice marbling. We have a screaming hot cast iron pan, not the T-bone we just did. So what we do is take your kosher, well, I got pink Himalayan, you can do kosher. You sprinkle it from way up here. Put it in. And you don't touch it. You just don't touch it for 2 minutes. At least. Sprinkle a little more salt. Make sure you have your stick of butter ready. You're going to need about a 1/4 stick for every steak. And that's going to make this delicious brown butter sauce you see there. This is on high heat on the center burner, hottest you can get it. I'm going to pause right here, we'll be right back. Alright, so here's how you can check when your steak is ready to flip. You can see this kind of red coming up, and you can move it. You can move it on the pan when it's ready. Now flip. Really nice color. Again, maybe for 2 minutes, but there are some special instructions now. So what you do is you put this down to medium. Medium, or the lowest it'll go is still in the high heat. You take your 1/4 stick of butter, which I have to cut now with one hand. Put it in. Alright, so I just kind of spread the butter around. So the special instruction is put it on medium, and you lift up your steak, put the butter underneath, place it back into the butter. Let it go on there for about 2 more minutes. We'll come back in a second. Alright, here we are back after a couple minutes. You can see the myoglobin and not blood starting to rise up here. Look at that. That's perfect. So what you can do to test the temperature without cutting into it is you can kind of feel on your cheek, that's a medium rare. If you touch your chin, that's a medium, same feeling. If you touch your forehead, that's well done. So you take your finger and push in, so that's about my cheek, so that's about a medium rare. So we're just going to let this soak up some of this butter. My beautiful assistant's going to get me a plate, and then we'll show you how to plate this. Alright, here we are, I'm going to flip it. I'm just going to show you. Okay. Perfect sear, perfect crust. Take it out. Now for the magic. Take this brown butter sauce and pour it on the steak. And that's it. Let it rest for about 5 minutes, covered with tin foil, and you have a beautiful steak. So there you have it. You're never going to go to the steakhouse again.